And welcome, and then I am planning to show you that how to replace this this ABS master pump, and this system really pumps and release this brake fluid pressure, and there is now 1, 2, 3, 4 of these brake fluids, and in back area we have more. And let's go to look closer that how we open these connections. Firstly, we have to open this electric cable connector, and in my case this is little bit damaged, but there is this switch, and when I pull out that, then I can take this big electric and sensor connector away. And this is like locking pin, what we have to pull out in that way, both sides, and then this electric cables opens. And then we have those brake fluid cables next. Okay, and then we need really shape head tools. First one is 10 mm, what fits in these nuts, and these are, it seems that this is a little bit tight. Now it's open, and when I move that in a little bit reverse, then these bolts and nuts opens easier. And this is like this 10 mm what I have to rotate, and then there is also this 14 mm tool what I need to also purchase, and this 14 mm fits in here, in that nut. And now when I open firstly these 4 in here, and then in back area there is also 2 of these. Let's look then how this work continues. And here I am opening that nut. I can rotate this tool in this way. Okay, and now this is free, and then I can continue this 10 mm. Okay, and then when these are open, we can look more. Okay, and here my job continues, and nuts are quite loosened, and I can a little bit lift that up. This is not yet quite smooth, and now it is free, and it comes up in this way, and that one is free, and then this one, and then we have this 14 mm. It is in here, in this way, and I open also that bolt in this way, and couple of minutes and nut is free. Okay, and now this area is free, and all of these 4 are free, and then we have left in this back area couple of lines, and let's go to look those. Okay, and in this back area we can see that there is firstly this line 10 mm bolt in here, and then another 10 mm in that area, and then this fits. And I open firstly these 2 10 mm hoses, and let's look then what we can do. First bolt, 12 mm bolt, and second is in this another side in here, that area, and then one bolt is in behind in this bottom area. Bolt is in here, in down, And that's we have to open this bolt in this down area, and let's look at how this happens. Okay, and then when we look in this down area, there is this one screw in here what I have to open. It is 10 millimeter. And next I open that bolt. This is my 10 millimeter wrench, and using that wrench I remove that bolt in here in this down area, and soon it is free and we can look at next. Okay, and in here we can see that how I am working. This is opening, direction start, ends. And I keep my hand in here that I press. This is my tool. And it takes a little bit time that I can open. Now it seems that it starts to be loosened. Okay, and now bolt is actually free. Excellent. Okay, and now I can lift this my ABS pump a little bit in here. In that way, good. Take this my tool and this down area away. It is like a little bit stuck. Now it's free, and there was this. Now we can see this bolt sides also. Then we have next. I have to take this connector cable. I press that side and pull out, and now this ABS pump is free. Okay, and then I can lift that pump in here in my hand, and we can look that closer. Okay, and now we can look that closer. These are the sides, and there I open 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are also markings in here, that what line, and maker is Bosch, and in that area I open these 2 lines, and there is this electric connector and made in Germany, and there we can see then this product codes 89541 02060 is this product code, Toyota's code. Okay, and there is this low area 10 millimeter bolt, and inside we have similar bolts in here. Okay, and this is really ABS system, anti-brake system pump, and this generates brake pressure and also this open and close these brake calipers.